With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be solving a question in biology. So the question that's given to us is name the following. And the actual question is the organ that produces urea, okay? So you know, right, in human body there is amino acid metabolism, okay? Amino acid metabolism because every food we eat has amino acids and there are essential amino acids which we need because our body will not produce it if we don't consume it from outside. So there will be amino acid metabolism in the body which will break down amino acids, breaks down amino acid and takes in useful parts, okay? Useful components, we can say useful components of the amino acid, okay? And then what will be left there will be the ammonium part, okay? So that ammonium acid breakdown will be occurring in liver, okay? Liver is the organ responsible for amino acid catabolism, okay? Amino acid catabolism means breaking down, okay? So liver is the important organ involved in amino acid catabolism, and there is a process called as a urea cycle that happens in a body in order to convert the toxic amino residues into urea, because urea is like less toxic than ammonia in the human body, okay? So if we take the urea cycle actually starts from the amino acids only, okay? That amino acids we consume after everything's being consumed and the rest amino residues are given. The amino residues, okay, we can put amino residues or amine residues. This amino residues is converted into glutamic acid and glutamine, okay? So all amino acid residues are converted into glutamic acid and glutamine, and they both eventually become glutamate, okay? They do not combine to become glutamate. Glutamic acid and glutamine separately became glutamate. Glutamine also will become glutamate. Glutamic acid also become glutamate as it spends more time in the body. And this process of conversion of glutamic acid into glutamate is called as transamination, okay? Transamination. This is because glutamate is also an amino acid. It still has the same number of nitrogen, hydrogen, and carbon atoms as it's present in glutamic acid and glutamine. But the only thing is there is change in functional groups and there's a difference in position of the functional groups. So that's why the name has changed. And nowadays glutamate will become ammonium ion. And this process is called as deamination, where the long bulky chain is removed and the main important compound like ammonium ion is released, okay? This is process called as deamination. After this the ammonia will get converted into carbonyl phosphate, carbonyl phosphate, okay? And this carbonyl phosphate will react with ornithine, okay? Now ornithine is a non-proteinaceous amino acid present in the human body. Non-proteinaceous amino acid means it's an amino acid that's formed chemically and not by translation, which means it's only responsible for metabolism processes and not for any building processes. Non-proteinaceous amino acid. This carbonyl phosphate will react with ornithine to form citrulline, okay? Now citrulline is also another non-proteinaceous amino acid, non-proteinaceous amino acid, okay? And this citrulline will then get converted into arginine, Okay. Now arginine, if you all know, is an proteinaceous amino acid. Okay. Arginine is a proteinaceous amino acid made by translation, but here this is made chemically by conversion of citrulline, and then this arginine will again become ornithine. Okay, so the cycle continues. So this is the urea cycle, and this is just a segment of urea cycle. Urea cycle involves various steps, but these are the major conversions. Okay, so from arginine become ornithine, and a side product will be released here. And this side product released on conversion of arginine to ornithine is the urea. Okay, and this urea will be collected in the liver and sent to kidneys for filtration and excretion. Excretion is done in kidneys. Synthesis is done in liver, but excretion is done by kidneys, and synthesis is done by liver. Okay, so this is how urea metabolism takes place in human body. But the question they ask is the organ that produces urea, which means they're asking the organ that synthesizes urea. And as we already saw here, the organ that synthesizes urea is nothing but the liver only. So we can conclude the answer is liver is the organ that synthesizes urea, and it's a right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.